Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot in CapCut. Now if you want to take a still image of a particular frame in your video, then what we need to do is come over to the top left navigation and click on menu, scroll down to help and then click on shortcuts. Click on basic at the top and you'll see this option in the top right hand side for export still frames. Now what we're going to do is just apply a shortcut to this particular function. So I'm going to click on the box next to it here and then go ahead and type in your shortcut key. I'm just going to assign this to Shift and the letter Q. Once you've assigned your shortcut, click on save, and then all you simply need to do is move the playhead of where we want to take this screenshot. Then we're going to press the shortcut keys on our keyboard. Then you can type in a name for your screenshot. I'll just leave it as these default numbers. Select where you want to export this screenshot to. I'll be saving mine in my desktop here. Select the resolution size. I'd recommend selecting either 1080 or 4K. Format, you can choose between PNG or JPEG. Usually PNG works the best, and you can decide whether you want to import the screenshot into your project. So I'm going to leave this on and click export. Once you've exported your screenshot, you'll then need to click on device in the top left hand side, and as you can see, this is the screenshot that we just took, so I can now drag this onto my video footage like so. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.